In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to enable Stay Invisible on a Local Network feature in NordVPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. It makes a big difference and helps us create more content for you. Use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. This particular feature in NordVPN prevents other devices on the same network from detecting your presence, enhancing privacy and security when connected to public or shared Wi-Fi. To configure your NordVPN app on your PC to stay invisible on a local area network, LAN, follow these steps. Start by opening your NordVPN app. Once it's launched, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Settings icon. This icon is located on the left panel of the interface. Clicking on it will bring you to the app's Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Connection. This section contains various options related to your VPN connection settings. Click on Connection to view and adjust these options. As you scroll through the connection settings, you'll find an option labeled Stay Invisible on LAN. This feature is designed to keep your device hidden from other devices on the local area network. When connected to a LAN, enabling this option ensures that your device remains invisible, adding an extra layer of privacy and security while you use the network. To activate this feature, simply toggle the switch next to Stay Invisible on LAN. Once you do this, your device will no longer be visible to others on the same network. That's it. Your device is now configured to remain hidden whenever you're connected to a LAN. For more tips and tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button and use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. Thanks for watching.